some mud flaps, only for the simple fact that these tires have a tendency of hitting, or should I say, getting rocks, getting hit towards the side doors. So we installed some Demon mud flaps. Now you guys are aware. Let's come check it out. I wish I can say that these guys were a lot easier to install like the video makes it out to seem, but it really isn't. But we got it done within, I want to say, 35 minutes or so. It's not impossible, but you're going to have to clamp down on these little clampers here with a pair of vice grips if you got, or pliers or whatever, to get them in. I highly recommend putting on the screw because this does have play, and as you can see, there's no play here right now at all. It's installed tightly and snugged. Let's check out the back. Now with this, I know how some of you guys, it's hard to get a screw. The front tires, obviously, you could just turn them side to side, but with the backs, what I ended up doing is I used a small Phillips, angled it up slightly. I came from under, was able to turn it in, and got this put in. But again, most definitely put on the screw. As much as I didn't want to make a hole into the side, I ended up doing it for the protection of this so it won't fall off in the middle of driving or whatever. Clamps are in place. Let's take an overall look around the car, see what you guys think about it from the front and towards the back. And a bottom shot as well. What I like about this, it actually has a style to it. So it actually comes out at an angle instead of just being squared off. So it gives us somewhat of that aggressive look. Hope you guys enjoy. Anyone with a wide body, 100% recommend you guys do this. I wasn't taking any more chances in regards to my car, brand new, getting damaged. Hope you guys found it informative. Thank you very much. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Laters.